Let me show you a couple different ways how you can make everything on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, also S11 Ultra larger. And yeah, basically, so both app icons and also in the different menus, and also basically when you are maybe like browsing website as well, for example. So first, if you maybe perhaps want to actually make the icons bigger, we can simply like swipe up where you have all the app list and click these three dots here, settings, and over here by default the app size actually is set to be very small, so even smaller than I showed you, so like this. So I have already set it, so okay, apologies. So see, you can set it to the highest, yeah, over here. Then next we can go in the settings, display settings, and screen zoom, and we can adjust easily how everything is bigger or smaller. So you see, as I increase, I see all the texts, all the like sections get bigger if I increase all the way. For example, I see then I have only this available here. So settings page like this. Okay, and also for example, if I basically start do something, I see basically all the sections are much larger as well. Again, so in the settings also, in the same display settings, you see you can also like change the font size and style. So I increase the fonts even further, or maybe also even make them bolder. If we check now, so you see how everything is absolutely massive here. So I can easily see. Also, I think if you went in the accessibility settings, let's see, vision enhancements, I see you can also like basically increase this stuff even further here. So in the magnification, okay, not here, sorry, font size and style, okay, that's the same. Maybe you can increase the pointer size if needed. But you see, you can also like enhance basically this text even further. Okay, so yeah, also this function enlarge display. So you see it becomes absolutely massive here. So again, yeah, as you see, absolutely crazy large. The only negative I see on this tablet is that basically these app icons, we can't really enlarge any further. I think that is a bit limiting. Other than that, you see also, for example, the settings, how extremely large it becomes here. Yeah, okay, good luck.